Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today for class 9 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 40 on theory of equations. Okay, now let us see the first question. If alpha is a real root of and beta gamma are the complex roots of the equation x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 28 is 0, then the value of 2 alpha plus 3 beta plus 3 gamma is. So alpha he is saying as real root. Let us take the given equation. Let us take f of x as x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 28. Equation is this. Let me take f of x as x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 28. Let me take f of minus 4. What is f of minus 4? Minus 4 whole cube plus 3 into minus 4 whole square plus 3 into minus 4 plus 28. Let us simplify this. This is minus 64 plus 3 into 16, that is 48, minus 12 plus 28. That is nothing but minus 74 minus 12, that is minus 76, plus 48 plus 28 is again 76. Minus 76 plus 76 is 0. So what is the meaning of it? Therefore, x plus 4 is a factor of f of x. X plus 4 is a factor of f of x. To get other factors, what do? We go for Horner's synthetic division. Let us see that. So x is minus 4. Now take the coefficient, they are 1. What are they? 1, 3, 3, 28. 1, 3, 3, 28. Let us take it as 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Minus 4 times of 1 is minus 4. So this is minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1, that is 4. You take here, that is 7. Minus 4 times of 7 is minus 28. So sum of them is 0. Okay. Therefore, what is the quotient now? Quotient is x square minus x plus 7. Okay. So he is saying that the equation has alpha as real root, beta gamma as complex roots. Means whatever the rest of the two roots we have, means this particular equation, if at all you take x square minus x plus 7 is equal to 0, that is going to represent two complex roots. Let us see what are they. Okay. So that is 0. Let us take. So x here is minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, that is nothing but 1 plus or minus 1 minus 28 means minus 27 root over minus 27. That is nothing but root 27i by 2. That is x. Therefore, let us take them as beta as 1 plus root 27i by 2, next gamma as 1 minus root 27i by 2. Let us take, okay, plus as beta, minus as gamma. Now, let us try to find out beta plus gamma value. What is beta plus gamma? 1 by 2 plus root 27 by 2i plus 1 by 2 minus root 27 by i. Nothing but 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will remain. That is 1. So, beta plus gamma value is 1. Now, what do you need? You need 2 alpha plus 3 beta plus 3 gamma value. So 2 alpha in the sense alpha is a real root. Real root is nothing but minus 4. 2 into minus 4 plus 3 times of all beta plus gamma. Beta plus gamma is 1. 3 times of 1. So minus 8 plus 3. Minus 8 plus 3 is nothing but minus 5. So minus 5 is the answer for 2 alpha plus 3 beta plus 3 gamma. Okay. So 2 alpha plus 3 beta plus 3 gamma is minus 5. That is nothing but first option. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation x cube minus bx square minus qx minus r is equal to 0, then what is the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma? If you observe here, what is the given equation? Given equation here is x cube minus bx square minus qx minus r is 0. Alpha, beta, gamma roots are it. Therefore, we can say alpha plus beta plus gamma as p minus of p by 1. So that is p. Similarly, sigma alpha beta. Sigma alpha beta is minus q. Next, alpha beta gamma as r. minus r, that is plus r. Okay. Now we have sigma alpha as p, sigma alpha beta as minus q, alpha beta gamma as r. These are the values we have. Therefore, now let us try to find out 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. If you take the LCM, what is that? Alpha, beta, gamma. What is the numerator part now? As it is alpha, here we have beta, gamma. Here we have alpha, gamma. Here we have alpha, beta. So the numerator part is nothing but sigma alpha, beta. Sigma alpha, beta, how much you have? Minus q. By alpha, beta, gamma is nothing but r. So minus q by r. Minus q by r is nothing but fourth option. So fourth option is the right answer for this. Now let us see the next question. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation, the same equation, then what is the value of this? So already we have alpha, we have sigma alpha value as p, sigma alpha beta value as minus q, alpha beta gamma value as r. Already we have that, okay? Because alpha beta gamma are the roots of this. Already in earlier question we have seen that. Now what do you want? 1 by alpha beta plus 1 by beta gamma plus 1 by gamma alpha. Here also we can take alpha, beta, gamma as LCM. So what is the numerator part now? Gamma plus alpha plus beta. Nothing but sigma alpha. Sigma alpha is p and alpha, beta, gamma is r. So p by r, that is nothing but third option. Now we see the next question. Similar, alpha, beta, gamma are roots of this equation. Then what is this? 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square plus 1 by gamma square is LCM is alpha square, beta square, gamma square. So what do you have in numerator as? Beta square, gamma square plus alpha square, gamma square plus alpha square, beta square. It is something like a square plus b square plus c square. What is a square plus b square plus c square? A plus b plus c whole square, that is sigma alpha beta whole square minus 2 times of, okay, beta gamma into alpha gamma. Simply if you write it as, you will get alpha beta gamma times of alpha plus beta plus gamma by alpha beta gamma whole square. This is what we get. This is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha whole square minus here 2 times of beta gamma into gamma alpha gamma. So here 2 alpha beta gamma square. Similarly, you will get the rest of the terms. In that, if you take 2 alpha gamma common, we have alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay, that is nothing but sigma alpha beta is nothing but, just now we have seen sigma alpha is here p, sigma alpha beta is minus q, alpha beta gamma as r. Okay, so sigma alpha beta is minus q, so q square minus 2 into this is r and this is p upon this is r square. Q square minus 2rp, q square minus 2rp by r square, nothing but second option. Okay, now we'll move to the next question. Same thing, only this value is changing. 1 by alpha square beta square plus 1 by beta square gamma square plus 1 by gamma square alpha square. If you take the LCM, what is the LCM here? Alpha beta gamma whole square. Alpha beta gamma whole square. So what is the numerator now? Gamma square plus alpha square plus beta square. So that is nothing but alpha beta plus gamma whole square, because a square plus b square plus c square form. A plus b plus c whole square minus 2 times of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that is sigma alpha beta by alpha beta gamma whole square. So that is nothing but alpha plus beta plus gamma is how much? That is sigma alpha. Sigma alpha is p, sigma alpha beta is minus q, alpha beta gamma as r. So this is nothing but p square minus 2 into sigma alpha beta is minus q by this is r square. So the answer is p square plus 2q by r square. P square plus 2q by r square is nothing but first option. Okay, that is the right answer. So that is the end of today's assignment. Thank you. Have a good day.